2018 Vauxhall Insignia door cards, door trim and mirror removal. Remove this little cover behind the interior door handle, which uncovers a 7mm head screw, and there are another two under the interior pull and at the bottom of the door card. Now you'll need to insert a pry tool down the edge of the door card. Now if this is the first time that door card has been removed, it will be pretty stubborn and the clips will be incredibly tough to pull. But once you've got one of them off in one of the corners and you can get your hands behind, then you should be able to pull the remaining clips away. So those blue bits there are the trim clips that should have stayed attached to the door card, but they've become detached. However, the door card is now loose of all the clips that were holding it in position. So now it's just sat on at the top. You'll need to lift it up from the rear and manoeuvre it out of position. Disconnect the cable for the interior door handle. Now disconnect the wiring for the controls on the door. You'll need to remove the trim clips from the door and replace them in the door card, otherwise you won't be able to refit the door card. Now to pull this upper trim off the door, which was concealed by the door card, there's just the two clips, one on each side. Same as the door cards, reattach the trim clips to the trim piece that has been removed. So we've got 3 bolts holding the mirror in place. I've left one of the bolts in position just to hold the mirror just in case. I'm going to disconnect the control wiring. Now just slide the mirror out of the upper trim where it sits neatly and holds itself in position.